Hello! Let's decorate this entrance together. It's Christmas! Yes, it's Christmas, and as you can see from my past videos, I already started to do some Christmas decoration, and today this video won't be the exception. So we're gonna bring all the Christmas vibe to this entrance. We're gonna make this entrance feel the Christmas. So the thing about the entrance is that the entrance is the first impression of the house. So if you want to give all the Christmas vibe and you already want your guests to feel like they are celebrating Christmas and feeling cozy and everything about Christmas, or however you want them to feel when they come home, you have to take care of what you put in the entrance. So how are we gonna do that? Stay here to see the results. This is what we're gonna do. We have like this and we have this door. So the thing is that people will see, the first thing that people will see is this actually, because people come here from there. So we're gonna add some of the Christmas traditional decorations, and I think that we can give all this vibe and add some garlands here, maybe a ribbon here, like big ribbon. And so we're gonna put some lights here, and we're also gonna use the famous string of oversizing, and we might put some Christmas ball here, or maybe big gifts with ribbons and everything like this, maybe a few gifts here. So the thing is that we're gonna add some colors, like color here, red here, and we're gonna do a mix of red and natural colors, which means we're gonna use a little bit of brown with maybe with the ornaments and everything. So I think this will give the vibe. We might add some lights here, maybe, I'm not sure, but I think this is gonna look great. I know this is like a really weird sketch, but I promise it's gonna make sense. Let's make this come true. So here's the thing. As I told you, I will be adding some oversized elements over here and over here, as you saw on the sketch. So what I realized, I was about to look for oversized Christmas tree balls, but I think it would be nice to have like big gifts in there. So what I did is I just found these big boxes, and I'm gonna paint them and make my own Christmas gift to add them on the entrance. And then I'm gonna put the rest of the decoration here. This will be a more DIY thing than I thought. Yes, I'm really excited about this. Just stay tuned. Let's do this. I already painted all the boxes. I even added 2 little ones to have more gifts on the decoration, but I have to wait for them to dry, so I think we're gonna have to wait for that to continue. But instead of doing a part 2 of this video, I'm just gonna fast forward to the future when everything's dry, and we're gonna put the ribbon. So see you in the future. So hey, well, we fast forward to the future when I have all my boxes painted. But then something happened, and I went to the store to buy more lights, and then I found this really beautiful paper. I changed my mind because I think this will look really awesome, and I also bought red to complement. So I don't know if you can see the patterns that it has. It says Merry Christmas. I think it has different, oh, I didn't realize it has like says Merry Christmas in different languages. Oh, I even love it more. Look, it says, well, I don't think you can read what it says, but it says Merry Christmas in different languages. So I didn't realize about that. Oh, that's nice. So something else that I did, and I did not record it, but it was something small. Is that okay? The garlands, you know that we're gonna put some garlands, and I have them here, and the lights and everything. I'm gonna show you next how we're gonna put this. So the thing is that I don't want to do like big holes on this wall, because when Christmas is gone I will take this out, and I don't want like the big holes left there, and I don't want to like be to the repair process. So what I'm gonna do is what I already did it, is that I use these pins, yes, this one, and I put them here on the spaces where it should go. And I bought some like wire or something, Christmas wire, to wrap it up. And I did like a trial of resistance, and yes, it was perfect. Well, I'm excited to see how this beautiful paper would look like on these big gift boxes. So let's go. Yay! We have our gift wrap, and I think I'm liking this way more, because I was putting the gift red and green, but now I like this one with this like all texture and these patterns, and I balance like one big red and one big with the patterns and everything. So now we're gonna start with the fun part, is to put the garlands over here. So here we have it with lights. This looks so beautiful. I'm so excited already. And now we're gonna put them up there. So now that we have our garlands in there, we're gonna put the ornaments, and we're gonna finish these and put back the gifters. And don't worry about these, I'm gonna hide them over here like with some ornaments in front of it. I'm already having the Christmas vibes only by having these and the gifts over there, so I'm way too excited for this. So let's continue with this amazing project. So here we have the final result. Yes, but I know you're looking at the video of what it looks like, but we're gonna do this countdown to see it with the lights off and say welcome Christmas to this entrance. So are you ready for it? So 3, 2, 1. Look how beautiful this. Look at the entrance. We have all these like the big ribbons. We have the classic colors, red, green, and also the warm feeling of Christmas with these warm lights and this paper that I use for this gift. They even look better than I expected, and I'm in love with them. And I don't know, I just want to take a seat here and stare this the whole day. So when the guests come into the house, they're gonna have all the Christmas vibe from here. They don't have to go anywhere, and they will feel already welcome in this place. The best part is that the most important thing when you are doing decoration, especially for Christmas, is that they look good with lights off and also with the lights on. You have to make sure of that. So in this design, looks beautiful even with the lights on. And you can turn this off and it will still look beautiful. But I'd rather have it like this. Thank you so much for being with me doing this amazing project, decorating this entrance. I have a lot of fun here, and I hope this give you any inspiration to do your Christmas decoration. If you are new here, press the subscribe button to have more fun like this, to see more decorations. And if you are all here, give me your thumbs up to know that you like this content, and let me know in the comments if you will try and do this, or if you did it, just let me know. And thank you so much. Follow me on my social media. We'll leave the link below so we can stay closer. I upload different content there. And see you on the next. I hope you're enjoying the Christmas season. Kisses and hugs. Bye bye.